In this video, I want to tell you about the easy way to create financial freedom and share 4 simple steps anyone can follow to achieve time and money freedom faster than ever before. If you're searching for a way to have both the extra money and the free time to do the things you want to do when you want to do them, this video is for you. Stick with me and I'll share exactly what I do. No previous experience is needed. People all over the world are having success with this. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I haven't worked a real full-time job in years. I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, thanks to the power of online marketing. I work just a few hours per week at a schedule I choose from wherever I want to be. You can do the same thing too. It's actually easier than you think. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So here are the 4 simple steps almost anyone can follow to create financial freedom. Start by teaming up with us. You'll be joining the fastest growing team in the #1 home business. Excellent training and support is provided. We will teach you everything you need to be super successful. It's really easy. Plus, as a member of our team, I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. Now, as for the business itself, it's really different from the others. It's super affordable and it's based on high demand products of the highest quality, but at prices far less than you can find elsewhere. Man, that's really different in the home business industry. And no, this is not one of those MLM or network marketing things where you have to buy products every month. In fact, you don't have to purchase anything. Our business pays out commissions on a weekly basis and has long-term, month after month recurring income too. And talk about making money fast. You can make money before you even enroll anyone. As soon as you join us, spend about 30 minutes setting up the free sales funnel our team gives you. You will have landing pages, sales pages, pre-written emails to send out. Again, we give you everything for free. It's a high converting sales funnel that automates the whole process. And it's the real key to creating both time and money freedom. You will have the exact same sales funnel I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. The third step is to start using one of the free traffic generating methods we teach you to get tons of free traffic to your website every day. And you can do this in just minutes per day, working at any time of day. So there is no need to spend a dime on marketing. I only use free traffic. The last step is to let the system do the work while you spend your time doing the things you want to be doing. The system does it all. It collects leads, follows up with them, enrolls them into your business, and trains them too. Then all you do is collect the commissions that are sent to you every week by direct deposit. Once you get your sales funnel set up, this online business only takes a few hours per week. Our automated system works for you while you're at the beach, playing golf, watching a movie, or even while you're sleeping. It's really that simple. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. And you will love the recurring income where you keep getting paid again month after month for what you do today. Take a close look at what we do. You'll see how easy it is to create financial freedom in just minutes per day. Take a couple minutes right now and go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.